In front of me is iPad 2025 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to tap on Touch ID and passcode. Now you need to scroll again to tap on Turn passcode on, hit passcode options and pick one of those. When you're ready, create your passcode. And if you see this kind of pop-up, tap on Change Passcode, because yours is too easy. I will click on Use Anyway though, just for example. Now you need to repeat your passcode and wait. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that passcode is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!